My name is Maciej Pruszyński. Most people call me Matthew. I'm a network operations manager for Zenit Connected Energy, and I'm with Zenit Energy since 2011. The microgrids all around the places we do build, well, first of all, we're trying to use as much as possible of renewable energy to bypass and avoid burning any fossil fuels. And we are in such a lovely state of Western Australia, we've got plenty of sun. So capturing that radiation and converting into electricity is, I guess, a very smart move. In 2012, I fired up my first power station with Zenit, where we had just diesels and gas and lots of burning fuel and lots of smoke. These days, we've got a station where when the sun comes up, the engine stops, so we run the whole mine based just on the renewable energy. And the next step is to have renewable energy 24/7 by using solar through the day, wind through the night, supported by batteries. The future is all electric, whether we like it or not, and we have to get there as soon as possible. That's obviously a challenge, but since I like it, let's go there.